This is Paweł controlling an electric wheelchair with the use of his eye. In this video we will show you why and for who we created it, how we designed it and how it was tested. The project plan was simple. Okay, at least the paper was. Modify a standard wheelchair into electric one, then integrate an AI module, cameras and software to analyze the user's eye movement. Make a device that Stephen Hawking would have dreamed of. To build an electric wheelchair, we use a standard wheelchair, accus, motors, wheels, self-designed motor holders, variety of the electronics, duct tape and so on. And with those we created this beast. And that part was quite easy, but more problem appeared with the AI module and detecting eye movement. Our first idea for detecting eye movement was a helmet with a camera pointed directly to the user's face, coupled with a two-stage algorithm. In the first stage, the algorithm detected the face and localized the eye area. Within this area, the second algorithm showed the pupil position based on the rule that the pupil is the darkest and most spherical point in that region. This pupil position was then recalculated to a relative pupil position based on a bounding box coordinate gathered during calibration. Idea was good, algorithm was working, but the wheelchair was not working good. There were issues with the light behind the user and the wheelchair was randomly turning left or right. We tried to fix it, but we simply couldn't. So we lost our energy, threw away project for the next 3 months, but one day we heard the Paweł story and everything changed. In the past, he was just a regular kid who enjoyed swimming and running and so on, but one tragic day during a math exam, he had a terrible accident. When he woke up, he found he couldn't move most of his body from neck to bottom. In that tough moment, most people would broken down, but not Paweł. He began his challenging fight, rehabilitating himself step by step. And now I can confidently say that he started winning, not only in the terms of rehabilitation, but also in his whole life. Nowadays he studies and even play computer games with the use of the eye tracker. His mother motto is Paweł would well, and we believe in this too, but we also understand the importance of the independence. That's why we wanted to create our device for Paweł. That's why we started developing our project once again. The approach with a camera on a helmet was ineffective and inconvenient. So we created a special goggles made from the tape and standard webcam. These goggles sorted out outdoor lighting and directly targeted the eye area. Due to it we also changed our algorithm. Instead of the two-stage algorithm, we decided to train a deep learning model based on the YOLO. Everything seemed perfect. First try was much better than the previous one best performance, but the training to the final form was time consuming.
Many months later.
The results were nearly perfect, except for the one problem which I called the barrier location, the areas near the eye corners which made it impossible to turn sharp right or sharp left. For the final pivot, we swapped a standard camera for ER camera. The webcam struggled with sunlight, but the ER camera with diodes minimized that influence. We have also tweaked our algorithm just a little bit, based on experiments which had a positive impact on the final performance. Finally, we reached the big moment, the Paweł's test.
Coś tam widzę. Postaram się nie rozbić. Są lekkie turbulencje.
After the test with Paweł, we wanted to test our wheelchair a little bit more. So we tested in 6 various competitions.
Nope. Nope.
Come on. Yes.
Mountain of Death.
Yeah.
Yeah! The style.
Kamikaze? Co możemy zrobić? No.